Since the introduction of the 1149.1 standard in 1990s, the GOEPEL Electronic working on hardware and software solutions to use the JTAG interface to verify board connections. As time passed by, more and more technologies have been added and new standards evolved. All these different technologies are now combined into the Embedded JTAG Solutions. But what are those Embedded JTAG Solutions? The Embedded JTAG Solutions can be split into three application areas. The embedded board test to verify flawless connections on your unit under test. The embedded functional test using embedded instruments of your UET to test their functionality and to improve the overall test coverage. And the embedded programming, where we can use the basic boundary scan access or your hardware resources to program on-chip and external flash devices. In order to access these functions, different technologies can be used. There's a classic boundary scan access via the JTAG interface. There is the possibility to use the VariTab technology to get access to the register table of a microcontroller, and that way you can use all its embedded instruments. In addition, it's possible to configure FPGAs with ChipWorks IPs to speed up the test execution or to enhance the test coverage. And last but not least, you can use JTAGs to load a complete test system, including test pattern and diagnosis tools, into your microcontroller. All these technologies are combined within the Embedded JTAG Solutions. Assessing and using the Embedded JTAG solution is made possible by the shared system CASCON software. It doesn't matter what kind of hardware components or test technologies you are using, the Embedded JTAG solutions can be freely combined to get the best possible test solution. That's why the Embedded JTAG solutions are more than just JTAG.